You could put an attachment on the Roomba that has like a small screen. You ever see like the mosquito thing where it like zaps the mosquito? It's like a tennis racket.
Hmm.
Imagine if you had like a small screen that was electrified, and as the Roomba went around the house, if a mosquito was in its way, it would zzz, and then it would kill the.
That's actually that's actually fun. Yeah,
And
imagine
if you
that.
think about it, when the
Yeah,
mosquito dies, the Roomba sucks it up and puts it in the Roomba.
two things at once.
Yeah,
You kill two birds with one stone.
I think
Yeah,
I
that's
think we're
actually
onto something here, buddy.